Good morning, everyone. We are coming to you from our newest listing, 3716 Kenzie Court Townhouse. We're coming soon for 1 week, and we will go live on Friday. Sherry, Carol, how are you?
Oh, we're great. We're great. Glad to be here. And what a beautiful unit. My goodness.
It's a surprise, don't you think?
Oh my gosh.
The vaulted ceilings, this open floor plan, it really does not feel anything like a townhouse
like
or
a
a
house.
condominium.
Absolutely
It feels
not.
like a home from the staircase all the way through. Has amazing features, 2-car garage downstairs.
That's amazing.
A
That's
flex room that can be an office. It was designed to be the laundry room, which has now been moved upstairs.
Which is a huge flex room, though.
It's
Yeah.
tremendous. It's a wonderful size. Main floor has a master bedroom and bath.
Hardwood floors.
Just beautiful, all downstairs. Open kitchen, granite countertops, and then 2 bedrooms upstairs with a Jack and Jill bath and
Right.
another half bath. So it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It is an end unit, so the light in here, don't you think
Oh,
it's amazing?
it just lives big.
It does.
And it lives like a house, I would
And
say.
being an end unit here, you have a window. You have 2 windows that you don't get when you're in the middle.
Right.
And
Yeah,
I
and that
just
makes a big
think
difference.
the whole entrance into this little court is beautiful. These don't feel like they're in Morehead City.
No,
Yeah, they are
They're
not.
just
You do not.
beautiful.
Uh-huh.
So you definitely need to go ahead and give us a call and schedule a
This will
show.
go quickly.
It will not last.
Tell us a little bit about the numbers and condominiums on the market right now.
Right.
So this week in real estate, before Carol gets started with condominiums, 76 new listings. Last week was 75. Pending last week was 88. This week 98.
Here we go again.
And here we go. And closed we're 82, and this week 86. So we're
Yeah.
up on numbers for real estate, numbers for sure.
Absolutely.
So what I find interesting are the overall statistics for condominiums in Morehead City, and I know you did some research today.
I did. I wanted to look at the numbers from the time that COVID, we kind of recovered, the real estate recovered from COVID. Starting last March, it was like, oh my gosh, what's going on for a few months. And then after that, real estate was
Insane.
crazy, insane. And here in Carteret County and in condominiums in Morehead, absolutely the same. Right, since July of last year, compared to the prior to July, the numbers have gone up tremendously as far as number of sales in condominiums. They're up 82%.
Wow, that's incredible.
It is.
And the average sale price for condos is up 12%. But we'll have to keep in mind that a lot of buyers are looking for the lower price points. And so that's kind of kept that average sale price down a little bit for condos. Single family homes, the average sale price is up 29%. So that's 25% for residential property in Carteret County
It's unbelievable.
since last July.
It's
So it's great. And the number of things on the market is what's continuing to drive it.
that price.
Uh-huh.
Absolutely.
There are
Absolutely.
3 properties on the market between 200,000 and 260,000 right now in Morehead City.
And that's both condos and
condos and residential. That's it.
3
And
properties.
it's just unheard of.
I know. So, if you want to buy something, you need somebody to help you. And somebody
Absolutely.
you really do. And if you want to sell something, now's the time.
That's right. Never been a better time.
We're finishing up at the outside, 3716 Kenzie Court on this lovely front porch. This condominium will be coming soon today, and it will come live on the market next Friday with an open house when
May 1st from 10 to 12. You better check it out before it's gone.
Absolutely.
Have a great weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.